Hello students, let's study about expansion formulae. We have studied the following expansion formulae in previous standard. A plus b bracket square is equal to a plus b bracket square means a plus b multiply by a plus b. ए प्लस बी ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर म्हणजेच काय तर ए प्लस बीचा 2 वेळा केलेला गुणाकार ए प्लस बी गुणिले ए प्लस बी मीन्स ए इंटू ए प्लस बी प्लस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी म्हणजे पहिल्या कंसातील प्रत्येक पदाने दुसऱ्या कंसाला गुणायचे आहे मीन्स ए इंटू ए प्लस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी मल्टिप्लाय ए इंटू ए स्क्वेअर प्लस ए इंटू बी ए बी प्लस बी इंटू ए बी plus b into b square. Adding like terms a square plus ab coefficient of these two ab is 1 plus 1 2 means ab plus ab is equal to 2ab plus b square. Therefore a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now example 3x plus 4y bracket square is equal to. This example is similar to a plus b bracket square. A means 3x and b means 4y. A square means 3x square plus 2 into a means 3x into b means 4y plus 4y square. 3 square is 9 x square. 2 3 is 6 6 4 is 24 x into y is xy plus 4 square is 16 y square. 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Now a minus b bracket square is equal to a minus b bracket square means a minus b into a minus b is equal to a into a square minus a into b ab minus b into a ab plus b into minus b means plus b square b into b square. Now adding the like terms a square minus ab म्हणजे ॲडिशन होईल यांची minus ab coefficient of minus ab is 1 plus 1 2 and similar sign is negative, that's why minus 2ab plus b square. It's the expansion of a minus b bracket square. Now a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Example 3x minus 4y bracket square. A square means 3x bracket square minus 2 is constant into 3x into 4y plus 4y square is equal to square of 3 is 9x square minus 2 3 is 6 6 4 is 24xy plus square of 4 is 16 and square of y is y square. 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a into bracket a minus b plus b into bracket a minus b is equal to a into a square a into minus b minus ab b into a plus b into plus a plus ab plus b into minus b square. These two are like terms. Minus ab and plus ab cancel means a square minus b square. Means expansion of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now example 5x plus 2 into 5x minus 2 is equal to 5x bracket square minus 2 square is equal to square of 5 is 25, x square minus square of 2 is 4, means expansion of 5x plus 2 into 5x minus 2 is 25x square minus 4. Use the above formulae to fill proper terms in the following boxes. X plus 2y bracket square. X plus 2y bracket square is similar to a plus b bracket square, and expansion of a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here x square is given plus 2ab, 2 into a means x, into b means 2y. Now multiply this, 2 to the 4xy, means here 4x and y, 4xy plus 4y square is given. Next, 2x minus 5y bracket square. 2x minus 5y bracket square is similar to a minus b bracket square, and expansion of a minus b bracket square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now expand this. A square, a means 2x, and 2x square is square of 2 is 4, and x is x square, means here 4x square. Minus 20xy is given plus b square. B square means 5y square, square of 5 is 25, and y square of y is y square, 25y square. Next, 101 bracket square is equal to 100 plus 1 bracket square, means a plus b bracket square is equal to a square. Here a is 100, means 100 square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 100 into b is 1. या ठिकाणी मी खाली लिहिते 100 plus 1 bracket square means 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. 100 square is 10,000. 100 चा स्क्वेअर कसा करायचा पहा. हा 1 चा स्क्वेअर 1 येईल. या ठिकाणी 2 टाइम्स 0 आहेत, तर स्क्वेअर मध्ये ते 4 होतात, ट्वाइस होतात, दुपटीने वाढत जातात. 2चे 4 झाले. प्लस 100 into 2 200 into 1 is 200, 1 is 200, plus square of 1 is 1. Now add this. 1 युनिट प्लेसला 1 येईल, टेन्स प्लेसला 0 आहे इथे पण आणि इथे पण. 100 प्लेसला 2 आहे, 1000 प्लेसला परत 0 आणि 10,000 प्लेसला 1, मीन्स 10,201. मीन्स हियर 10,000 and here 200 is equal to 10,201. Next, 98 bracket square is equal to 100 minus 2 bracket square is equal to 10,000 minus 2ab. 2 is constant, a means 100 and b means here 2. 2 to the 4, 4 into 100, 400, means here 400, plus b square, b is 2 and 2 square is 4. Now subtract this. 10,000 minus 400, 0, 0, 10 minus 4 is 6 and 9, 9600 plus 4 means final answer is 9604. Next, 5m plus 3n into 5m minus 3n. It's similar to a plus b into a minus b, means a square minus b square. A is 5m bracket square minus b is 3n bracket square. 5m square, 5 square is 25, means here 25m square minus 3n whole square, square of 3 is 9n square, means final answer is 25n square minus 9n square. तर एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युले यूज करून तुम्हाला या फिल इन द ब्लँक्स भरता येतील. एक्सपान्शन ऑफ x प्लस a इंटू x प्लस b इज इक्वल टू x प्लस a इंटू x प्लस b इज इक्वल टू x इंटू x प्लस b प्लस a इंटू x प्लस b इज इक्वल टू x इंटू x x स्क्वेयर प्लस b इंटू x bx प्लस a इंटू x ax प्लस a इंटू b ab is equal to x square, here x is common, bracket b plus a into x plus ab, means expansion of x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Expansion of x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. या ठिकाणी पहा बी प्लस ए आहे, बी प्लस ए किंवा ए प्लस बी काय लिहिला तरी चालतो, म्हणून या ठिकाणी काय लिहिला ए प्लस बी. एक्सपान्शन ऑफ एक्स प्लस ए इंटू एक्स प्लस बी इज एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए प्लस बी इंटू एक्स प्लस ए बी. एक्सपांड 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. It's similar to x plus a into x plus b. Here x is 3x, a means 4y and b means 5y. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. 3x plus 4y into 3x plus 5y is equal to x square means 3x square, a means 4y plus b means 5y, means 4y plus 5y into x, x means 3x plus a into b means 4y into 5y is equal to square of 3 is 9, x square plus 5 plus 4 9, 9y into 3x plus 5 4 is 20, y into y, y square is equal to 9x square, 9 3 is 27 xy plus 20y square. It's the expansion of 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 5y. Next, a plus 2 into a minus 1. It's also expansion of x plus a into x plus b, and x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. A plus 2 into a minus 1 is equal to, here x means a means 2 and b means minus 1. A square plus a plus b means a is 2 plus b means minus 1, means 2 plus minus 1 into x means a plus ab, a is 2, b is minus 1. A square 2 minus 1 1 into a is a, means answer is a square plus a minus 2. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युले वहीत नीट लिहून ठेवा. ते तुम्हाला माहीत असतील तर या प्रकारचा गुणाकार भागाकार या प्रकारच्या ज्या क्रिया आहेत त्या तुम्ही सहजपणे करू शकता. त्यासाठी एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला माहीत असणे खूप आवश्यक आहे. expansion of a plus b bracket cube. A plus b bracket cube is equal to, a plus b bracket cube means a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. 3 times a plus b bracket cube म्हणजेच काय, a plus b चा 3 वेळा केलेला गुणाकार is equal to a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b means a plus b bracket square. We know the expansion of a plus b bracket square is equal to a plus b into expansion of a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, means a into this bracket plus b into this bracket is equal to a into a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a into a square is a cube plus a into 2ab is 2 is constant, a into a square b plus a into b square means ab square plus a square into b means a square b plus 2 is constant, a is constant, b into b is b square, 2ab square plus b into b square means b cube is equal to a cube. Here 2a square b and here 1a square b. Now add these two, 2a square b plus 1a square b means 3a square b. Here 1ab square, here 2ab square, 1ab square plus 2ab square means 3ab square plus b cube. Now expansion of a plus b bracket cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Expand k plus 4 bracket cube. K plus 4 bracket cube is similar to a plus b bracket cube. We know the expansion of a plus b bracket cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equal to, expand k plus 4 bracket cube. K plus 4 bracket cube is equal to a cube means k cube, 3 is constant, a square means k square into b means 4 plus 3 is again constant, a means k into b square means 4 square plus b cube means 4 cube is equal to k cube plus 3 4s are 12 k square, 4 square is 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 k plus 4 cube is 64. Expand by using formula 41 bracket cube. 41 bracket cube means 40 plus 1 bracket cube, and 40 plus 1 bracket cube is similar to a plus b bracket cube, and a plus b bracket cube means a cube, a means 40, a cube means 40 cube plus 3 constant, a square means 40 square into b is 1 plus 3 into a means 40 into b square means 1 square plus b cube means 1 cube. Here a is 40 and b is 1. Now cube of 40. आता 40 चा क्यूब ओरली कसा करायचा पहा, 4 चा क्यूब करायचा, 4 चा क्यूब 4 4 ज 16, 16 4 ज 64, तो या ठिकाणी लिहिला. या ठिकाणी 1 टाइम 0 आहे आणि क्यूब करायचा आहे म्हणजे त्याचे 3 0 होतील, 1 2 3 इन 64,000 प्लस स्क्वेअर ऑफ 40, 40 चा स्क्वेअर ही तसाच करायचा, 4 चा स्क्वेअर 16, या ठिकाणी 1 0 आहे, स्क्वेअर मध्ये ते ट्वाइस होतील, 2 वेळा होतील, 1600 आला, 1600 into 3 means 16 3 is 4800 plus 43 is 120 plus 1 cube is 1. Now add this, answer is 68,921 is the final answer. Expansion of a minus b bracket cube. A minus b bracket cube is equal to a minus b into a minus b into a minus b is equal to a minus b into a minus b into a minus b means a minus b bracket cube and we know the expansion of a minus b bracket square. Here a minus b into a minus b means a minus b bracket square, and we know the expansion of a minus b bracket square. A minus b into expansion of a minus b bracket square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Means we can multiply a into this bracket also b into this bracket is equal to a into a square minus 2ab plus b square minus b into a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply. A into a square is a cube minus 2 a into a is a square b plus a into b square is ab square. Here sign is minus, so all signs in the bracket are changed. A square into b, a square b minus minus plus 2a b into b, b square minus plus minus b into b square is b cube. Now add the like terms. A cube, here minus 2a square b, here minus a square b. Both are negative. Now add this and sign is minus. 2a square b plus 1a square b means 3a square b, and similar sign is minus, that's why 3a square b are minus. Here ab square plus ab square, here plus 2ab square. 2ab square plus 1ab square means 3ab square minus b cube. Now expansion of a minus b bracket cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Expand x minus 2 bracket cube. We know a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Sorry, minus b cube. A cube minus 3 square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here take a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. Now x minus 2 bracket cube. A cube means x cube minus 3 into a square means x square into b means 2 plus 3 is constant into a means x into b square means b is 2, that's why 2 square minus b cube means 2 cube is equal to x cube minus 3 to the 6x square. Here square of 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12x minus cube of 2 is 8, means final answer is x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 is the expansion of x minus 2 bracket cube. पहा a plus b bracket cube आणि a minus b bracket cube यांचे एक्सपान्शन तुम्हाला माहित असेल तर तुम्हाला ही एक्झाम्पल सहजपणे सोडवता येतात. त्यासाठी एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला माहित असणे आवश्यक आहे. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक, कमेंट आणि शेअर करा. थँक्यू.